Ladies and gentlemen, picture this. The speed, power, and elegance of Bugatti, the same automaker that brought us the record-shattering Chiron and Bolide, now merge with the comfort and luxury of a five-star hotel on wheels. Yes, you heard it right. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is not just an RV. It is a hypercar-inspired rolling mansion, redefining what luxury travel means for the ultra-wealthy. Today, we're diving deep into the design, performance, interior luxury, technology, and the jaw-dropping price tag of the Bugatti Motorhome that's set to shake up the entire RV industry. Buckle up, because this isn't your average road trip vehicle. It's a $6 million statement of wealth, power, and ultimate freedom. Number 1. Bugatti's entry into the motorhome market. Bugatti has always been synonymous with speed and exclusivity. The Chiron Supersport 300-plus broke world records, and the Devo stunned collectors with its rarity. But in 2026, Bugatti shocked the automotive world by stepping into the luxury motorhome market. Why? Because luxury travel is evolving. Ultra-high net worth individuals are no longer satisfied with private jets and super yachts. They want freedom on the open road, without compromising on luxury. And Bugatti, with its unmatched design language and engineering, saw the perfect opportunity. The Bugatti Motorhome isn't just another RV. It's a hyper-luxury vehicle designed for billionaires, celebrities, and royalty who want to travel the world in style. Where brands like Mercedes, Prevost, and even Rolls-Royce have made waves in luxury RVs, Bugatti want to create something untouchable. And that's exactly what they did. Number 2. Exterior design. From the outside, the Bugatti Motorhome looks like a futuristic masterpiece. Inspired by the aerodynamic curves of the Chiron, the motorhome features carbon fiber body panels, a massive front grille with the iconic Bugatti horseshoe design, and sleek LED lighting strips that wrap around the body. The front end screams hypercar DNA, but the overall shape blends seamlessly into a motorhome silhouette, smooth, sculpted, and futuristic. On the side, hidden slide-outs extend at the push of a button, transforming the vehicle into a spacious living area. And the rear? A full-width LED light bar, quad exhaust tips, and even an integrated active rear wing that doubles as a sunshade when parked. To top it off, Bugatti offers exclusive two-tone paint jobs inspired by its hypercars. Think deep Atlantic blue with French racing accents, or exposed carbon fiber with polished aluminum trim. Simply put, this isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling piece of art. Number 3. Performance. Now, you might be wondering, does a Bugatti Motorhome actually perform like a Bugatti? Surprisingly, yes, at least as much as a 50-foot luxury RV can. Under the hood, Bugatti has equipped it with a hybrid W16 powertrain, inspired by the Chiron but tuned for touring. We're talking about 1,200 horsepower combined output, allowing this motorhome to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. Mind-blowing for a vehicle of this size. The top speed? Electronically limited to 155 miles per hour for safety, but still making it the fastest motorhome ever built. Bugatti's engineers even include an active suspension system that adjusts in real time, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're cruising the Autobahn or gliding through California's Pacific Coast Highway. And for the eco-conscious billionaires, the Bugatti Motorhome features a plug-in hybrid system with a 200-mile electric-only range, perfect for city driving without emissions. Number 4. Interior, ultra-luxury living. Step inside, and you'll forget you're in a motorhome. The interior is a fusion of hypercar craftsmanship and five-star hotel luxury. Bugatti worked with some of the world's finest interior designers to create a cabin that oozes elegance and exclusivity. Living area. A spacious lounge with Italian leather sofas, carbon fiber accents, and a panoramic smart glass roof that can switch from clear to tinted at the touch of a button. Kitchen, a chef's dream, featuring meal appliances, marble countertops, and even a built-in wine cellar with Bugatti-engraved crystal glasses. Bedroom, a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, hand-stitched headboards, and ambient lighting inspired by Bugatti's horseshoe grille. Bathroom, a spa-like retreat with rainfall shower, heated floors, and stone sinks carved from a single block of marble. Cockpit, the driver's seat feels like piloting a hypercar, with digital displays, a Bugatti steering wheel, and AI-assisted driving features. Every detail screams exclusivity, from the hand-polished aluminum knobs to the custom-embroidered carpets featuring the EB logo. Number 5. Technology and smart features. Bugatti didn't stop at luxury. They packed this RV with cutting-edge technology. AI travel assistant routes your trip, books your stays, and even recommends Michelin star restaurants along the way. Autonomous driving. Level 4 self-driving system for highway cruising, so you can relax while the RV handles the road. Smart home integration. Voice commands control everything. Lights, climate, entertainment, even the slide-outs. Entertainment. A 100-inch 8K OLED screen, 3D surround sound system, and satellite internet, so you're always connected. Security. Fingerprint and facial recognition access, bulletproof glass, and drone surveillance that launches from the roof to monitor surroundings. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a tech mansion on wheels. Number 6. Lifestyle and exclusivity. The Bugatti Motorhome isn't designed for the average millionaire. It's for the ultra-elite, the people who already own a Bugatti Chiron, a private jet, and a 300-foot yacht. This RV is their next toy, their next statement piece. Imagine pulling up to Monaco, Aspen, or Beverly Hills in this machine. It's not just about comfort. It's about status, power, and presence. And because Bugatti plans to produce only 99 units worldwide, exclusivity is guaranteed. Number 7. Price and ownership. Of course, exclusivity comes at a cost. The starting price of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is a jaw-dropping $6 million. And that's before customization, with bespoke paint, custom interiors, and Bugatti's personalization program. Some owners will likely spend closer to $8 or even $10 million. Ownership also includes concierge service, global roadside assistance, and invitations to Bugatti's private events, including track days where you can pair your motorhome with your Bugatti Hypercar. Final thoughts. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a symbol of ultimate luxury and freedom. It combines the thrill of a hypercar, the comfort of a private jet, and the exclusivity of a super yacht, all wrapped into one incredible machine. For the ultra-wealthy, this is the future of road travel. For the rest of us, it's something to dream about, a reminder of just how far innovation and luxury can go when money is no object. So, whether you're a car enthusiast, a travel lover, or just someone who enjoys marveling at the extremes of luxury, the Bugatti Motorhome is a fascinating glimpse into the next chapter of automotive history.